morning. Let me see that manifest.
Here it is, sir.
All right, pull through slowly.
3号装解平台，确保货物已螺旋固定光。
Cross-reference the alloy certifications with the manifest.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All serials are accounted for.
Run the scan on the upper quadrant.
Initial composition looks within spec.
The laser scan confirms the zinc purity is within the acceptable threshold.
Good. We can authorize this batch for coining.
The massive rollers pull the continuous copper strips towards the alloy preparation line, secured with pinpoint accuracy by the robotic arms.
Long strips of carefully engineered copper and nickel alloys move through fully automated conveyor systems, where
We're seeing minimal oxidation right here at the gate.
That aligns with the thermal readings on the tablet. Maintain temperature at 1400 degrees for the pour.
Confirmed. Clear the crane path. Crane, hold position for pour.
The thermal readings are stabilizing right on schedule.
Confirmed. Surface quality looks excellent on this batch.
We have a fluctuation here on the temperature graph at zone 3.
I see it. The sensor readings on the slab itself seem stable, though. Let's cross-reference with the flow rate.
With extreme precision, the thickness is reduced. Robotic guidance systems ensure the strip remains perfectly aligned throughout production.
the thickness variance is within tolerance across the entire strip.
Confirmed. The laser calibration is spot on.
The precision coilers operate under extreme tension, ensuring a flawless finish on every strip that leaves the facility. This high-speed blanking press can produce thousands of perfectly round coin blanks every minute, showcasing remarkable engineering precision.
We've had 3 rejections on line 4 in the last hour.
The vision system is calibrated correctly, and it seems to be the alloy mix.
The blanks must reach a precise temperature, ensuring the metal is malleable enough for the minting process.
We're seeing consistent temperatures, but the steam output is higher than projected.
The flow rate seems stable on this side, and let's check the pressure sensors.
This tumbling action, combined with the cleaning solution, ensures every surface is perfectly smooth. Once cleaned, the blanks travel along the conveyor towards the upsetting mill, where engineers ensure absolute precision.
In the upsetting mill, precision rollers form a raised rim on every coin blank with flawless accuracy, maintaining continuous production. These precision upsetting rollers pressed against the edge of each coin blank, perfectly forming the raised rims with incredible mechanical accuracy.
Die secured and torqued to specification.
Calibration check complete. We have perfect alignment.
The sensor array indicates optimal pressure on the dies.
The rejection rate is negligible.
Automated systems precisely guide the torrent of newly minted currency, ensuring perfection at every stage. High-speed optical scanners meticulously check every millimeter of the coin's surface. Any imperfection results in immediate rejection by precision air jets. The rhythmic motion within the drum is key to achieving the brilliant metallic shine you see here, a true testament to precision engineering. Exiting the finishing drums, thousands of brilliant coins flow onto the stainless steel conveyors. Automated air systems find...
If you look closely at the patina here, we can see the micro-abrasions from the tumbling process.
Zoom in slightly on that scratch. We need to document the depth.
Check the throughput on the main conveyor. We're seeing a slight discrepancy in the count.
All right, let's verify the calibration on the optical sensor.
In this facility, precision is everything. The sensors flash continuously, counting thousands of coins per minute.
Are the metrics holding steady on the new batch?
Yes, the scales confirm perfect accuracy across all bins.
Every day, millions of freshly minted coins are precisely measured and bagged by these robotic arms, ensuring the integrity of the nation's currency.
We need to verify the count for the shipment going out tonight.
It matches the manifest here on the screen.
pallet 724 scanned and verified.
Confirmed. Updating the manifest now.
Easy now, nice and slow. Watch the clearance on the gate. We're clear, take it out.
The digital manifest confirms all high-value items are secured. You can sign off here.
That's good. Lock it down and confirm the seal.
Locking mechanism engaged. Secure.
Control to Convoy 1. Gates are clear. Proceed with caution. All units maintain vigilance.
Across the nation's highways, these convoys transport the most valuable cargo, a synchro ballet of steel and precision.
Confirmatory. Dispatch. We have visual on the convoy. All teams, move to positions and prepare the forklifts.
Ensure the seals match the manifest before scanning.
Confirmed, we are synchronized.
South section flow looks optimized.
Yes, the AGVs are maintaining peak efficiency on the coin pallets route.
The calibration is holding steady at 500 kilograms.
Verified. Uploading the data now. We are clear for transport.
Locks engaged, confirming seal integrity.
Digital manifest verified. We are secure.
Every morning, these armored convoys transport billions, a vital yet vulnerable link in the regional banking system.
Looks accurate. The robotic calibration is holding steady.
Security is paramount. As the new coins are introduced, the inventory system logs each roll instantly, a seamless blend of physical and digital assets.
Hi there, just a basket today.
Yeah, that's everything. Thanks.
And here is your change, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
A symbol of value, freshly minted, ready to flow through the veins of this metropolis, fueling dreams and commerce alike.